So I have this old PC case that has nothing in it. Well, other than that in the hard drive, but I'm taking out the hard drive, gonna leave the disk drives. I had this old motherboard in it, and I moved the CPU over here. Here are the RAM sticks. I'm not sure which one to use because I know this one won't work with these two. These two, I'm not sure if they'll work together because they are both Samsung. But I'm not sure. Find out later. But then the power supply is just I'm not sure if you can get a good picture of the sticker, but it's a 350 watt power supply. Main thing about it is that I got it for free. It can go 24 pin or 20 pin. Luckily it can go 20 pin because this motherboard that I am replacing it with has a 20 pin connector. So did the old one right here, but I'm not sure. Then this one is getting replaced by this one mainly just because of these connectors, so I can get a different hard drive. But other than that, I think I am ready. I also stole the CPU off of that one to put it on here, right here. It's underneath this fan, cooler, whatever. Other than that, let me find you guys a area to be propped up. I think you guys can see the PC pretty well from here. There we go.